Griffin Armament is a company founded by two Army infantry sniper-qualified combat veterans. Although Griffin is best known for its signature-reducing sound suppressors, which are also coveted sniper tools, founders Austin and Evan have combined their lifelong passion for precision rifle shooting and nearly a decade of notable research and development into a new product line, the Superior Precision Rifle Modular Mounts. Quality and precision optics mounts have always been studied, sought after, and used by the world's top long-range shooters. Most currently marketed and sold designs and technology date back to the mid-1980s. Relatively featureless optic mounts have dominated the market space for the last 40 years. This, however, is changing with the introduction of the Griffin Armament Superior Precision Rifle Modular Mounts. SPRM mounts allow the incorporation of the Accessory Interface Suite of products, which brings ambidextrous modularity and universal accessory support to the precision optics mount marketplace. The unique patent-pending design splits the rings on two parallel but offset planes, allowing accessories to be mounted on 5 AIS mounting surfaces. This system affords left and right sides, left and right 45-degree surfaces, as well as the top surface to be used for accessory interfaces. The Griffin SPRM mounts bring unsurpassed flexibility and utility to the discriminating user. Left or right-handed shooters are equally supported with the SPRM mounts and accessories. A heavy emphasis on anatomically correct positioning of optics was placed on AIS products, leading to the development of the Rapid Transition Optics plates. RTO plates position secondary, non-magnified optics on optical centerline relationship with the stock cone for comfortable, rapid targeting with a simple roll of the host firearm. These plates currently support Aimpoint Acro, T1 T2, H1 H2, Comp M5, SIG Romeo, Vortex Spark, Trichicon RMR, SRO, Holosun HE507C, HS407C, HS508C, Leupold Delta Point, J-Point, Optima, Dr. Optic, Meopta, Insight Microdot, Burris Fastfire, Vortex Venom, Vortex Viper, Seymour STS, RTS, STS2, and Vortex Razor. Picatinny RTO plates are also offered. Flat mount AIS products support a myriad of optics as well as a Picatinny interface, Wilcox Raptor mount, and Simrad adapter plate. Other accessories will be developed to support future market technology, keeping the system at the forefront of the precision space. Although the emphasis of the SPRM mounts are on the utility they provide, much care and attention was also given to the engineering, precision, and durability of the mounts themselves. Unlike many market offerings which emphasize manufacturing ease, often bolting split rings to a base adapter, the SPRM's foundation is a unibody base that cradles the optic, eliminating extraneous parts and interfaces which are often traceable to loss of zero retention or tolerance stacking and subsequent loss of interfacing accuracy. A precision rifle becomes a battle rifle with loss of zero, and serious precision shooters should not tolerate it. SPRM mounts are manufactured in the USA at Griffin's Wisconsin manufacturing facility. Mounts are machined on state-of-the-art multi-axis CNC equipment from aircraft-grade aluminum bar stock. Manufacturing in-house provides the ability to control quality at levels impossible in contract manufacturing. The geometries of Griffin SPRM mounts are machined to part datums probed on each part. Prior to machining, costly manufacturing time is dedicated to each part with Renishaw probe strategies coupled with Renishaw RTS set tool magazines, which ensure critical geometries are machined to positional accuracies of plus or minus 2/10,000ths of 1 inch, rather than depending on human loading accuracy in a much looser relationship to work holding based on datums like traditional optic mount industry manufacturing processes. Bringing aerospace industry segmented production engineering concepts and inspection equipment to optics mounts enhances the state of optical mount quality. This persistent dedication to quality ensures that the mount quality theory and the actual production mount quality are inseparably linked for uncompromised superior precision. In an industry space where raw extrusion, job shop quality, and an emphasis on efficiency over quality are normal, why does Griffin bring a wasteful level of manufacturing time and technology to optic mounts? Because these aren't just typical market job-shopped optic mounts. These are Griffin Armament Superior Precision Rifle Modular Mounts. Gear made by snipers for everyone. SPRM mounts are the next generation of sniper-grade precision rifle optic mounts.